Good morning and welcome back. We hope you had a great Christmas, but today we got to build something for Brinley's room. Let's go get it. First up, placemats. What are you doing in there? Yeah, let's put a video of me struggling.
Brinley, what do you got there?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? What kind of chocolate? Turn it around.
Chocolate.
Turn it around. What kind of chocolate do you have? Mmm.
Your trees are gonna get crushed.
How about you don't crush them?
Trees are getting crushed.
I need those for next year though.
I hope this didn't wreck something.
Does
Bad
it-
news for you. It's not gonna fit.
It better fit.
It's not going to. Okay, just stop recording.
Can you wait, Brinley?
Alright, so we didn't explain anything of what we just did. Actually, at all. But we went to Ikea. Look at my face. Double chin. Okay, anyway, we went to Ikea and we bought a
Dresser.
3-drawer dresser for Brinley's room. We bought some placemats. What do you call those shoe things? Like a
shoe tray.
shoe tray. And what else? There was something else. No, wrap. Of course, she had to get her €1 wrapping paper.
Well, it's on sale. Who doesn't get sale Christmas items?
That's true. It's on sale. You might as well get it. And we got
Your wonderful chocolate.
my favorite chocolate ever over here.
Sorry, Calvin.
Yeah, sorry, Dad, if you're watching this, but that stuff is the best. Thumbnail.
Chocolate. More chocolate. More chocolate.
See, she likes it too.
Oh yeah, Brinley loves the chocolate. But anyway, so we're gonna get this stuff. I gotta carry this really heavy box all the way upstairs, so that's gonna be terrible. All right, so we're gonna build this dresser we got for Brinley. Sorry, I'm pretty far out. I'm sure you'll probably be able to hear me, but first we gotta get it open. Yeah.
Can you move your
We're gonna
tushy?
build it right now.
Move your tushy. And let's hope that it's not in German. Okay, hold on. You have the English part?
this is great. Looked at the directions and we actually...
Should I ask anyone on the side of the base to see if anyone has a drill we can borrow?
Yeah. We actually looked in the directions and you need a drill for this dresser that we're building. So our intention was to build this, build this dresser, 3-drawer dresser type deal. But we need a drill for it. I don't know, we might just end up buying one. Alright, so the first part, we actually have the, I don't really know what you'd call these, but we have them on there. So we're gonna take a little break. I know we just started, but we're gonna actually go eat at Chili's tonight. We've been cooking a lot, eating a lot of leftovers, so we've been doing really good with that. So we're gonna take a little short break from that since it's Friday, and we're gonna go kind of have like a family dinner night. Alright, next stop, Chili's.
No, we're in my ear.
Alright, we're done with Chili's. We gotta get some gas. We got terrible lighting, a crying baby, and we gotta go home. Alright, so we're back home and we're about to finish working on this dresser. I don't know if we're gonna finish it all today. We got a little progress going, but as far as the whole thing goes, I don't know. Like I said, I don't know if we're gonna finish it all today, but we're gonna sure try. So our daughter wanted to help us out with this project, so we're moving it to the living room so we don't wake up Maggie. She's still sleeping, so. Alright, so we're still plugging away at this little progress update. So we have this, basically the whole dresser part is together. So next, Mackenzie's over here, she's working on the drawers. That's pretty much what is left to put in there. And voila. The dresser is finally finished. Time check, 8:46 p.m. Brittany, how do you like your dresser?
It's cute.
It's cute? Yeah? Can you say bye? Hey, can you say bye?
No.
Alright. Well, yes, that is our dresser from Ikea. We bought it this afternoon.
Nice.
Brought it home. Took a little break right after we started it, but it is it's finished now. This lovely lady did the nice drawers that you see. She did it
so hard.
She worked pretty hard now, so she maybe get a spa day or something.
Yeah, right. I'll take my rubbing your feet more than anything.
And this toy keyboard.
Why not?
And another drawer.
All right, well that is our video for today. We hope you enjoyed it. If you want more like this, I don't know if we're gonna buy more stuff from Ikea, but we surely can. She likes to spend money.
Yeah.
So that's going to be it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you always like, comment, and subscribe. What were you going to say?
I was just gonna say subscribe.
Oh yeah, hit that subscribe button. It takes 2 seconds. Just.
And there's bell notification too.
Oh yeah, hit
You
that.
know when we post.
Hit the bell, and it'll always notify you when we post, like she just said.
No.
So.
You're gonna wake your sister.
Anyway, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Say goodbye.
Goodbye, guys.
See ya on the next one.